1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hello everybody. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will check, clean and show you about mini cars here one by one. Okay, so now let's check the following cars here. បាទសួស្តីអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាឥឡូវចូលដល់វីដេអូយើងបាទវីដេអូ check ឡានបាទយើង check ដូចជា clean បាទ before I clean that area, so now I bring this one clean and show you. But this is a monster truck, everyone. But this is a monster truck, a very nice, interesting monster truck. Bigger monster truck. This one we use batteries. We use remote control. Okay. Let's go to the next one. បាទអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាឥឡូវយើង shake strongly. Okay, this is a truck, a cute truck, a very nice truck. Let's go to the next one. This is a cute car, a cute truck, everybody. This is a cute truck with number 575. Engineering toys. Okay, let's move to the next one. បាទអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាឥឡូវយើងចូលមើលអាប្រភេទនេះវិញដងនេះគឺគេហៅថាប្រភេទឡានក្រែនអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាបាទនេះប្រភេទឡានក្រែនហើយជាមួយនឹងបាទរូបឡានខាងក្រោមនេះបាទត្រាក់ខាងក្រោមនេះគឺបាទ cute មែនតើអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នានេះអានេះគឺយើងច្រើនឃើញនៅក្នុងហ្គេម Zombie បាទ Zombie ណាបាទនេះកាលពីមុនគេចូលចិត្តលេងណាបាទ everyone, this is a crane, a truck with crane. So now let's go to an excavator. I'm shaking. Okay, this is a nice excavator. Let's go to a supercar, a white supercar, a sport car. Okay, so now let's go. Now I'm preparing to dig in this truck. I bring one shaking in water. This is we called ladder truck. The next one, a motorbike, everybody, a motorbike, a very nice motorbike. Let's move to the next one, a road cleaner. This one a road cleaner, right? បងអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាឥឡូវយើងមកមើលអាបន្តទៀតបាទយើងមើល this one អានេះគេហៅថា cement mixer បាទ cement mixer truck ប៉ុន្តែនេះគេធ្វើលក្ខណៈ cute បាទនេះគេធ្វើ cute ទេណា cement mixer truck. Okay, let's go to the next one. This is a monster truck, a cute monster truck, everybody. Okay, everyone, I should finish my video right now, but before I finish this video, I want to know you like this video or not. So if you like this video, please let me know by comment, like, and especially click the subscribe button to show your feeling. Okay, thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Goodbye, good luck. I hope you like it.